the packaging feels so expensive. You know, Garnier is so expensive. I don't have, you know, the capability of buying this myself out of my pocket money. Okay. Let's give it a try na nga. Anyways, kakatapos ko lang din mag-skincare. So, bare face yan. I don't have filters. Okay, so let's see and find out. Okay, so I'm gonna use the one here at the... Dami sinasabi ni Bakla. So yun, gamitin na natin. Okay, I'm just going to scoop this out. Sabi nila, ano daw to? Anti-love kit. Let's see. Okay, let's put here on the other side first. And let's see the difference after I spread it out. Actually, I'm not a kind of person na talagang palaging nag-skincare. Minsan may katamaran din talaga ako mag-skincare. Yeah, that's life. People sometimes get lazy. Oh, bango niya ha. Hindi talaga siya malagkit ha. When you apply it, like parang water lang. Parang naglagay ka lang ng talagang moisturizer. Water, yung gel like white moisturizer. Yeah. That is one thing that I'm looking for a product like this. Hindi siya yung parang malagkit sa face or sa skin. I don't think if you can see the difference. English. But, you know, I feel na hindi siya talaga sticky. Thank you, Garnier, for this gift. I really appreciate it. Hindi ko talaga na-expect na ma-approve. What are you doing? Yeah, my cat. She's curious of what I'm doing. Hey! Gusto din lang niya mag-apply ng Garnier sa kanyang face. So yun, let's